how to add an order tracking widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, touch and hold, then tap on the edit button. Next, from the pop-up, tap on add widget. Now in the widget list, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on wallet. Next, swipe to the left until you can see it said order tracking. So here we have a small widget, medium size widget, and a large size widget. Select a widget size, then go down and tap on add widget. Next, tap on the done button. Now if you touch and hold on the widget, you can change the size to make it small. So we can change the size and make it large as well. And then you can tap on the widget itself. In here it shows orders, so no orders. Orders you place with participating merchants will appear here. And that's it. At the moment I do not have anything. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.